It's phantom music.
Phantom. Better yet, you guys just get to hear me singing. You carry, if I even knew the words, that's gonna be terrible. All right. Okay, what did I want to do? Let's get some signal art stuff going. So I like the pattern that I was developing out before. That seemed to work out kind of nicely. The messaging system with the multi-instance game manager, that seemed to work out well.
Yeah, that seemed to be going really good.
Yeah, it does seem like towards the end, I get, you have the Minecraft server up, which just wasted all my time this week on playing that. But I really wanted to work on towards the end of our game last time. I started shoving the bot code directly into the game, and I think if I would have just stepped back for like a good hour, I would have seen that I could have separated the bot completely from the game and just kind of treated it like a player, and it could have just did the messaging and stuff just like a player would have. So that way the game would have been completely separated from bot code completely. But whatever, we were done, so I left.
All right, sweet. We now have a link on our site under projects for Nyxian Skies. I'm going to check that in real quick.
Okay, let's see. I want a server. Let's do a hub. It's called. What did I call this before? Shut up, Ryan. Thank you. Okay, here comes the copy and pasting fun. I'm copying code from our last project, the parts that I really liked, so this is going to get built out pretty quickly.
All right. The website is all checked in, published, and that side should be good to go. So now I need to get latest on Nyxian Skies. So I was looking at the asset stuff that I have, and they have like some pre-made like ships and stuff. But one of the cool things is they have actually the ships broken down.
Here, I'm pulling you up right now. Nope, no, I don't want your Twitch stream.
Oh, so they actually have the
Oh,
parts broken down.
your desktop's not streaming on Hangouts. That's fine.
Oh, give me a second.
I would stream my desktop, but I don't have the bandwidth.
So there's actually all the parts split.
Oh.
So we can actually do a basically
you can upgrade specific parts and damage or
yeah, customize your ship based on what you get. So I thought that might be a cool like feature we can add later. And
yeah, hey, yeah, sounds cool.
It's not horribly difficult to do either. So, but yeah, we have a good assortment of different things, and then I can color shift all these so we can get pretty much any color we want.
The person who's had a baby doesn't look good on
All right, I'll try to turn up my voice a little bit more, pull through on the mic.
Oh, what, are you quiet?
Yeah, according to your stream, I'm a little bit quiet.
Well, that might be because...
If you're going through your stream.
Yeah, I can't separate that many audio outputs.
Yeah. All right,
So you can
let's
hear... See if I can just turn your volume up on mine, if that changes anything. I don't think it does, but... Where is your audio coming from? So your audio is here. You're coming through the Turtle Beach, which is what I would expect, which means it comes out over here. Open broadcaster.
All right, I turned up my mic volume a little.
Yeah, you did.
Am I too loud now?
Oh, you're fine for me. So, myself, Zeno, I am streaming with OBS, and Slippered is on his own channel streaming with XSplit.
I'm actually back with OBS now.
He is back with OBS now. Let's see, audio.
Now, since they went from the Windows 10 Technical Preview 1 to 2, in Technical Preview 1, I wasn't able to use Open Broadcast, so I had to go with XSplit.
There you go.
And
Hey,
then
just keep talking. I'm adjusting your volume right now. I just decided not to broadcast my PC speakers, but just my headset. So,
gotcha.
can you keep talking, Aaron?
Yep. So whenever they went to the technical preview for Windows 10, they fixed a lot of the driver issues, and so I was able to go back to Open Broadcast instead of XSplit. I had all kinds of weird issues with XSplit though, so.
Way too loud. All right, I cut you down to 50% right now.
I'll put
So
myself
right now,
back
you're
down.
at 50%. You can't hear anything over the music. That is... I want to listen to music, but I don't want it streaming. It's too complicated. There. Music problem solved.
Stream it to your headphones.
Yeah, you know what? It's... I don't know. I don't have the time to try to figure it out now. What I need is a... click these exact buttons to get what you want. Let's not have a music war. Okay. What was I doing? I was copy and pasting code. That's what I was doing. This is what we're going to have to change. Oh wow, look at all the red. Hub context in here. And
Come on, load.
guys. I want that. Yes, yes. I know what I want. Just stop offering me things, I'll tell you. Boom, there you go. So what are we missing here? We're missing my actions. And I have something called create game. So the multiplayer for this game, is this going to have like multiple instances of the game, or is it a um, like just one server and people just join in?
Hmm. I think it would be more kind of like how we did Battleship, to where you have, one person that creates a game and then the other person that joins in.
Okay.
So it's kind of like an anonymous join, but you get
I think
like
we
the
can
on-screen.
beef that up a little bit. So more from that. We'll go with that type of thing. We'll have some individual game instances going on.
Trying to think of a good example of the space shooter that I believe Life Force had 2 players.
List every space shooter you want.
Yes.
Not played any of them, so.
Here we go. Yeah, Life Force had 2 players.
Oh, you're probably showing me something.
Not yet.
No, you're not. Okay.
I'll link this to you since I can't do links.
Yeah, link it to me, because me trying to watch a YouTube video through Google Hangouts through.
Well, and so other people can.
Where's the tablet? It's dim. Maybe it's your phone.
Oh, that's right. I turned the volume off. Did I? No, I didn't.
So this is basically the concept that we were having. It's basic shooter.
25 minutes.
There'll be, different upgrades and stuff that you can get. There'll be multiplayer. It won't be on the scale of this to where it's like Life Force is more like bio space type, but ours
Okay.
will be more realistic space flight type deal. You have alien ships. You
No, it's
have
not. So alien ships are realistic.
yes.
Let's place this in the Firefly universe.
Before or
There's no
after the
such
events of the show.
Either one. There is no aliens.
Or both.
Well, if we go with after, I mean, then we don't have. No, we still have Reavers. The problem wasn't solved. It was just kind
Yeah.
of really discovered. But we don't have Wash. And so, is it really a show? Is it really a genre or a time period you want to be in without Wash? I don't think so.
But Life Force is a good example of what I was wanting to do with having like some levels were side scroll, vertical scroll.
Okay. Let's see what I want to do.
I have to say, it's pretty on the like fire level. It's pretty detailed on. This is the NES. You still get that flicker and sprite loss due to too many sprites on the same horizontal, though. The NES had a flaw to where if you had too many sprites on the same horizontal, it would make basically not render all of them. It would render as many as it could. That's why you see sometimes like the ship disappears completely. Well, that in the video can't pick it up. It's basically flickering.
The game will be client to server, but since we're using SignalR, it has a very high response time, and it actually uses WebSockets. So we can push messages from the server up to the client and broadcast to all clients, single clients, all but one client. We can do all sorts of things, and our performance